Hi, it's Jocelyn, your realtor with the Jocelyn Russo Group. Today, I am standing outside this newest listing we are just putting on the market this week, located at 122 Bremond Street in Belleville, New Jersey. This home is beautiful. It has a great open floor plan with a formal living room, a sunroom, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, full finished basement, great yard, and a garage, and it's hooked up for a Tesla electric charge car. So definitely come take a look at this home. It probably won't last long because this is going to be a great home for the next family. If you want a private showing or virtual tour, please contact us today at JocelynSellsNJ.com. And remember, who you work with matters. We'll talk to you soon.